there, my friends. Glad to have you. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it. And today's video is going to be all about my Sephora Rouge haul. And you know what? I'm just really excited to share with you some of the things I got. And you know what? We're going to have a fabulous time. So, if you're new to my channel, great to have you. Don't forget to do the like, subscribe, and the bell so you'll be notified of future videos. So let's jump on board and let me show you what I got in my haul. So first up I got was the Kat Von D vegan palette. This thing is just absolutely amazing. Kat Von D's, line, it hasn't gotten so much love as it should be, but this is a vegan palette, and you know what? I just fell in love with it, especially on sale and getting the Rouge 20% off. I think this is a big win. So let me show you right here. Look at those colors. You know what? I've never gone wrong with, Kat Von D's line. So this is one of the things I got, and I just wanted to share with you. And then next up I got, believe it or not, I did a whole bunch of lips right now, but I did Fenty Beauty Balm Baby. Right here it is. And this is a mini lip and face set, and it has the lippy right here, and it has the little here, which is the Killawatt highlighter, and then it has the gloss bomb right here. Really pretty. I thought this was a hootenanny. And then, as I said, I'm on a lippy thing, is Marc Jacobs. Look at this. And this is two enamored, duo set, and it's called the Too Enamored with You. And it has a travel size lip gloss. One is called Sugar, and the other one's Pink Parade. So this is something really nice. It's great to just put a little extra, color and kind of different type of brands into your your collection. And you know what, some of our other stuff kind of gets a little wonky after a while, so you have to chuck it, or if it's been used and too much loved, it's time to move on and get some new stuff. Then I got from Glow Recipe right here. Look at this. And this is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I am loving Glow Recipe. And this one smells, I have a smaller one which I tried out, which I absolutely loved. I think I got it in one of my subscription boxes. And this one I just fell in love with. And you just put it on, you clean face right before you go to sleep. You just kind of put it on and it just soaks up. And it is so amazing. And the smell is just so beautiful. Just that light watermelon. So next up I got is from Tarte, and it's called the Creaseless Concealer. I got the small travel size version. You know what? I have a lot of Tarte stuff, and it's kind of hit and miss for me. I have the Tarte the Tarte base tape, which I really love, and then I just wanted to try out this concealer right in for underneath the eye, and this one is in 25S Light Medium Sand. So I'll let you know how that one works for me. Then, as I said, this is a lippy thing. I got from Ciati Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer and Lip Oil Duo. There we are. Really nice. This is, nice little sets, and you can go these for gifting or whatever you need to be, but it's also nice entryway into the brand to see if it's something you like before you make the big commitment to the full size. So I like Ciati. It's very nice. I think these are fabulous. And you know what? I'm in this watermelon mode. Don't ask me why, but it is. And then, last but not least, I got the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Color Correcting Full Coverage Cream. And this, believe it or not, has a sunscreen of 50. And I really like having good sunscreen because it really helps your skin. So, you know what? I like this. And it's broad spectrum UVA, UVB. And I got it in the color light medium. And these are really good. And especially if you can get the brush, it's really awesome. And here's what the tube looks like. And you just keep it this way. And let's see if you can get in there. And what you do is you just put a little squirt on your fingers, tap it, and then you blend it in with one of their brushes, and it just gives you this really nice look to it. And it's nice and smooth, and it has some really good coverage. I was quite amazed. So, you know what? That's what I got. So let me know if you participated in the Sephora Rouge sale, and let me know what you've got. And I really appreciate you doing the like, subscribe, and don't forget the bell. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you soon. Have a fabulous one. Take care.